Hey there, today we're going to look at how to record a talk track in Miro step by step tutorial. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to miro.com. Over here, click on the login button. After that, sign in using your email or Google account. Then you'll land on your dashboard. Over here, click on the board where you want to create your talk track. Then click the record and watch talk tracks button at the top right. After that, click on record talk track. Then set up your camera settings or select none to disable the webcam. After that, configure your audio settings. Then click on start recording. Over here, walk through your board while recording. After that, click on stop recording. Then click on the recorded talk tracks in your board to review your work. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next